Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with quick, high-impact checks so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure your AirPods Pro and phone show the latest firmware. Outdated firmware often causes audio glitches. Next, clean the speaker mesh and microphone slots with a soft brush and no liquids because grime muffles sound. Once done, place both buds in the case, close the lid. Then hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This forces a reset and clears many software issues. Now you run focused diagnostics and make precise adjustments to isolate the fault. Play a stereo test tone or a recorded voice memo to see whether one side is quieter, because hardware imbalance differs from processing issues. Then cycle noise control modes, noise cancellation, transparency, then off, since ANC firmware can skew perceived balance. If problems persist, forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, restart your phone, and repair the buds. Repairing reinstates proper audio profiles and often resolves channel routing. Finish with hardware verification and escalation steps so you reach a definitive outcome. Inspect each bud and the case for moisture, corrosion, or obvious damage. Replace silicone tips and test again, because a torn tip changes isolation and perceived low end. If one bud stays faulty after resets and cleaning, arrange a repair or replacement through Apple support or an authorized provider. Hardware failures need component service. Troubleshoot tip: swap the audio source to another phone or computer to confirm whether the fault is the AirPods versus your original device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.